What's up, people? It's your boy Ricky Ross back with another video. I want to thank everybody out there that's been watching my video. I truly appreciate it. And for those of you out there who don't know who I am, I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller. Been doing this for quite some time now, and I do offer mentorship. So if you're interested, my email will be in the description down below. Today we're going to be talking about how to source or find products to sell on Amazon. I got quite a lot of requests for this video, so I figure I just give out a few tips on how to easily find products to sell on Amazon. We're going to jump on my computer so I can show you a few tips on how I go about looking for products to sell on Amazon. So let's jump right into it. Okay, guys, I'm back and we're in my computer. So one of the places I like to go to, just to look for products, is actually Lidl. So guys, understand that this is where people shop in Germany. One of the biggest shops, one of the biggest grocery chains in Germany. So always go to where the crowd is. That's where you'll find deals. I know a lot of people think that, hey, there's a secret distributor out there somewhere, but no. You go to where people find, where people shop a lot, and that's where you'll find deals. Okay, so I'll go to Lidl. I come to Lidl, and I just take a look at what they're showing me here. Yeah, it's in German, but I'll try to explain. And you can, right mouse click and then translate it to English if you're not comfortable with German. So basically, here I'm seeing things, with spring around the corner. A lot of people are going to be looking forward to outdoor activities, and I already see they're giving me ideas already. You see the people on the bike, so that tells me that Lidl is already thinking ahead. So what I need to do is just click on this and see what they're talking about, just based off the pictures. Okay, now I see, and then I'm going to scroll down, and bam, I'm seeing some good ideas here, guys. So obviously people are going to be riding bikes during the starting spring all the way into summertime. So this is exactly what they're going to need: accessories, helmets, bike glasses, gloves. I think this is what is that? A fire loud, okay, a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, this is for people listening to their music, I guess. Interesting. And something for the temperature, I guess. And boom, here's what's piquing my interest here. This right here, and look at the price, guys. $9.99 used to be, or retail suggested price is $29.99. Awesome. So this is nice. Let's take a look at this. It's called Fahrrad Stahl, okay, which is a bicycle seat. Cool. So there are 3 different sizes here, I see. So if I look at the corner here, it tells me to select. Once again, I'll translate this to English so you guys see it. So it's telling me to choose a type. Okay, there are 3 types here. If I click on the picture, I got this type here, and I got that type here, and there's the other one. So I got 3 different sizes of this thing. Okay, so what I want to do is if I want to put this back in German, I want to see if I find this particular brand, okay, in Amazon. That's the first thing I want to do. Okay, I want to see if I can find it in Amazon. So I just, simply, let's see, go to Amazon. I'm going to open a spot here, close this, go to Amazon and just do a search for that brand. Boom. You see? That brand they do sell on Amazon, because I typed the name with cup and I see some ideas coming up, and it says the Farad Satel. So if I'm just gonna click enter. I'm not gonna select anyone, and bam, this is looking good, guys. This is telling me that this thing does sell on Amazon. Okay. And let's see the prices. Well, before we start looking at the prices, we need to be sure that we're finding the exact same type on Lidl as well as on Amazon. So what I'm going to do is go back to Lidl. Okay, so now is where I'm going to look at the select the type. So there are 3 types here. There's the MTB, there's a city, and there's the tracking. So city says bald verfügbar, means it will soon be available. But the MTB and I think the tracking is available. So I'm going to click on MTB. Let's see what MTB looks like. So this is what the MTB looks like. Okay, cool. So if I click on the picture, it has Medicus on it and Medicus here also. I can see the other side. Let's open here. Cool. We'll see something here. Cool. So we see with cup memory game or something like that. Cool. So I see what it looks like, and it has this little thing here in the middle and a plus sign here. So I'm going to go back to Amazon, and I'm going to go up and I'm going to type with cup MTB. Okay, so it shows up, and I'm going to click and search. Good. So I'm seeing it here, and I think I see it here. I think this is it. This looks exactly like it. And the numbers are looking good on this, guys. So I'm going to click on it. Yeah, this looks like the product or brand or similar product we're seeing on Lidl. So let's go back to Lidl and make sure, as you can see, it's got the same dip right here. And if we go here, same dip, same label, same everything. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it looks like it. Cool, great. And now the next thing I need to know here on Amazon is how many are there other sellers on it. If there are other sellers on it, it tells me that I can also sell it. So, well, the first thing I need to look at, is I look at the review count. This is the number of reviews this thing has had. Over 1,000, guys. It's got over 1,000 reviews on Amazon. So this is definitely a good deal. I mean, definitely a good product. Okay, so people are buying it. It's sold over 100 in the past month. So definitely a good deal. So now I'm going to take a look at how many other sellers are there. Now I see Amazon is one of the sellers on here. Not a problem. They're selling it at $25. Not a problem. That's okay. And here I see 1, 2, 3, 4 other sellers. Amazon also, let's see which. Okay, this is the Amazon UK. Okay, so this is good. So this tells me that I could also join on this listing. Okay, now all I have to do now is go to Lidl, and I would purchase at least 20 units of this. That's what I would do. if they let me. Oh, bummer. I can only get 10 at a time. I think I see. I would have loved to get just 20 units of this. And guys, I would send this Amazon FBA. I would send this into Amazon FBA, just 20 units, because that's what I used. Always test the market with something low. Not, don't go overboard. I would just test it out with 20 units. And I sincerely believe that even though Amazon is selling this will definitely move. Because as I take a look at the number, this thing sells over 200 units per month, sells 9 units per day. The BSR is 3,954. That's pretty good. So just looking at these numbers without going too deep into it, without even reading the comment section, I would just jump on this listing. And that's really how easy it is to find a deal, guys. And now that was quick. That was really quick, right from Lidl, straight from Lidl. Then this would even be better if I could find Whitcup. Now the manufacturers. But here's the thing. Sorry, let me rephrase that. Most people tend to want to find Whitcup, the manufacturer. Now, if you want to deal straight with the manufacturer, it could be the manufacturer wants you to buy in bulk, huge bulk, and you might not have the kind of cash to do that. So don't go looking for manufacturers unless you got serious money, guys. Just make it really simple, guys. It's really simple. Just look at where people shop and look for deals. You'll find them. You just have to be patient, look for them. So with a deal like this, selling for, let's see, how much was it? 20, the high, okay, let's see what the highest price was on this. Oh, look, $28.90. So I would ship this into Amazon and put my price at $29.99. That would put me maybe at about 20 to 25% profit. And that's good. That's good, guys. That's it. That's a pretty good profit margin for Amazon Germany. And then I found one product, then I'll just go to the next and look for another one. Let's go back to Lidl. Let's stay in Lidl because we found one. We'll probably find another one. So now the next thing I'd like to do is go to their online shop. So guys, you see, Lidl is already giving you ideas. I mean, look at this. This is summertime, springtime, people ready to, go outside and hang out and look at the chairs, the garden chairs. So those are pretty good ideas, guys. Pretty good ideas. Let's see what they got here. Oh, and guess what? We got Easter around the corner, Easter holidays. And that's another good one that you could look at, click on it, just go through and see what deals they're offering, okay, for their Easter deals. So I want to look at something else. Okay, so we've seen the bike. Okay, I saw something else here that might intrigue my interest. Bam, guys, people are going to be doing a lot of outdoor work, building things and a lot of, just outdoor activities. So let's take a look at this. Now, this intrigued me because I saw the review count on this. On Lidl, it has 1,121 reviews. So I'm going to click on it. Let's click on it. So it says it's the Parkside 20V Aku. Okay, so it's what do you call it? A rechargeable battery, I guess, for a drill machine. Okay, so I'm going to look for this. Let's take a look at it. Let's go like this, copy. And we're going to go back to Amazon here. And we're going to search for this. And bam, it looks like it's there. But we're just going to hit enter. And let's search and see. Guys, I'm seeing it. It's coming up. Yeah, I see it. You see? So let's see. It's got 449 reviews. It sold 100 in the past month. That's also good. Good review count with 4.5 star. That's really good, guys. So I'm going to go here, go deeper and take a look and see. It's got how many sellers? Oh, good. It's got 10 sellers. So that tells me I could also sell it. But let's see who the sellers are. Oh, there's already an Amazon seller on here. I see one. I see two Amazon sellers. That's FBA sellers. That's what I mean by Amazon sellers. FBA sellers. So off the top, I can sell this too. And look at the prices, guys. 48.34, 54.99, 56.06, 58.70, and Amazon is even again on this listing. So Amazon being on this listing tells me that this thing sells, because Amazon being on the listing tells me that they want a piece of the action too. So off rip, I can see I can jump on this listing once again. Let's see. Let's take a look. We scroll back up. So it's got 300 units being sold monthly. It's got over 13,000 euro profits every month. So this is definitely another good one, guys. Definitely another good one. So I'm just gonna go here. Let's see how many it's going to let me buy. Bam, 10. So I can buy 10 also. So just from doing a quick little search, I found 2 products that I could easily purchase. And the reason I buy more than 10 is so once I get my invoice, in case I need to be ungated, okay, I can show Amazon my invoice from Lidl, which should, fly. And that's the reason I get more than 10 or more. 10, at least no more than 20 or 24. Because like I said, we always want to test the market. And I see these 2 products selling pretty easily and beautifully and quickly on Amazon. So I would definitely get these 2 products. So guys, just wanted to make this quick video for those of you out there looking for ways to find products to sell on Amazon. It's quite easy, guys. It's quite an easy step-by-step right here that we just followed. Don't make it too complicated. Always follow what the big stores are telling you. That's all. That's all you need to do is you follow and you see, oh, okay, what's going on? What are they saying? What are they showing? Always follow what they're saying, because they know the market more than you or more than I, and we just follow and just go with the flow. Okay, guys? Great. So I hope this video was able to help somebody or a lot of people out there. What I'm going to try and do is also put a link in the description in case a list of suppliers, because sometimes I still do get some people asking for some suppliers. I'll just put a short link of some suppliers in the description. If you're interested, click on the link and it'll take you to where you should follow the instructions, and hopefully you get a list of suppliers in Europe. All right, guys, thank you so much. It's your boy, Ricky Ross. I'm out.